Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and car. This saves time. Install or update Android Auto, then pick a good USB cable. Poor cables cause detection failures. Once the car is in ACC, enable the infotainment's USB and Bluetooth inputs so the system can detect your device. Now plug the phone into the USB port. You should see a prompt on the phone and the Nexon screen. Allow the basic connection prompts. This starts the pairing and permission, requests needed for GPS data to pass through. Next, you must authorize permissions so GPS works reliably. When the phone prompts, grant location, microphone, and notification access. Android Auto needs location to feed navigation to the infotainment. On the Nexon screen, choose Android Auto and accept any terms, then set it as the default input if you want instant launches. If the connection asks to enable USB data or tethering, allow it. This ensures map updates and live traffic stay active. Finish by testing the setup with a short route so you confirm voice guidance, live traffic, and rerouting work. You should also save home and work for quick guidance and calibrate the map compass if the app asks. If navigation looks off, make sure phone GPS is set to high accuracy and Android Auto has background location access. If anything fails, try a different high-quality cable, restart the phone and Nexon system, then reconnect. This simple reset fixes most connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.